So here we are, me and Brian. Brian, where are we going?
We're going to Miami.
Woo! Gonna go meet Jason. And then we're gonna take and help him sell his boat back. Look at, check this out. Me and Brian got a ride. I ain't kidding. Woo! Hi, I'm Tony.
And I'm Kathy.
And welcome to our adventures on Dreamville. This is my friend Jason Cox that owns and operates the Myrtle Beach Sailing School. He had recently been running some charters and training down in southern Florida and through the Keys. He gave me a call and asked if I might be interested in helping him bring his Eland Impression 444 back from Florida back to Little River, South Carolina. The plan was I'd drive down to North Myrtle Beach, down to Cricket Cove Marina, and pick up my buddy Brian. At that point, we'd pick up a rental vehicle at South Myrtle Beach and then drive down together to Miami and meet up with Jason at the Miami Yacht Club. Brian and I would have a great time traveling together. We always do. We really enjoy each other's company. Brian's going like, let's just keep this thing. I said, no, I think he already charged me for it one time. We should be able to give it. All right, here we go on the big adventure. Hey, Brian, guess what? We finally made it to the Georgia line.
We're to Georgia. It only took...
It only took 22 hours. No, I'm just kidding. So here's the South Carolina flags. Yay. And there's the sign right over there. Welcome to Georgia. Welcome to South Carolina. You're leaving, and welcome to Georgia. Bye-bye, Georgia. Bye-bye, South Carolina. So anyway, should be coming up on a Georgia sign on the bridge. I think it's a big one up here. Oh my gosh, it is a ton of traffic. They could have picked a different day. We wouldn't have minded. It would have been some other day than today. So I see palm trees. That's always a plus. And I think we're getting ready to come up on a big old Georgia sign. Let's see. There's a Georgia sign. Welcome to Georgia. On to Florida. Well, Brian, made it to Florida. Woo-hoo! So here we are with Jason. Made it down to Miami.
And all 80 pieces of Tony's luggage.
Look, we're moving in 5,000 more pounds. So we needed some ballast. I think he's chunked it all the way down in the bilge. Yeah, don't drop that one, please, God. I don't want to call them back up again. So anyway, so here's the boat. Y'all all seen it before. Go see it again. We're ready to go sailing.
Yeah.
So here we are. The morning of. No, this is provision day. Everybody's Jason's
everybody's being indecisive on what to eat.
Yeah, and since I kind of been on a diet, I'm a pain in the butt for everybody trying to stay off the carbs. So anyway, so Jason's making a list, checking it twice, and we're gonna provision for the next couple of days.
So you had the chicken bog at
It's good.
the Christmas thing. You gonna do that?
Yeah.
You good with that?
Oh yeah, I'm always good.
I know you're good with that. All right, so we'll do that. Cajun shrimp pasta. We'll keep the shrimp out for you.
Yeah.
And we'll get a side of vegetable we can cook
Fabulous.
for you. Okay.
You doing any salads or anything? I'm just asking.
We have not been, but I have zero problem bringing salad. We can get a salad mix if
He
you
gets
want.
that one of the little bags
Yeah,
of some
pre-made
ranch
stuff.
dressing. I can
Yeah.
do ranch dressing, so yeah. Salads are always good.
Ranch, you said?
Yes, sir.
All right, so we have Cajun shrimp pasta, tacos, chicken bog, and we had chicken, rice, and vegetables on.
Yeah, chicken and vegetables. That's good. That's good.
Yeah, well, I was just thinking, there's 2 chicken. We'll just space them out. We'll do one early and one late.
Don't
Yeah,
mind.
we'll do that.
I eat chicken every day.
And all right, and then we have backup spaghetti. Backup spaghetti.
Spaghetti.
Can you get some keto pasta?
I think you can. I'll have to call Kathy and ask.
Okay.
I can ask. You want me to see if I can?
No, I was just saying it's our backup meal just in case you need it.
Yeah.
You know.
I mean, would y'all eat keto pasta if it was? Probably won't know the difference, really.
I think the three of us would be willing to try it.
Yeah.
You know.
Probably can't tell the difference because I can't tell the difference on most of that stuff.
Yeah. What would that allow you to eat the Cajun chicken pasta?
Yeah.
If we do keto pasta? Keto?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
The sauce is going to have or cream and...
No, that's okay.
And
cream cheese. No, that's okay. I can have cream cheese. Yeah.
Okay, well, see if you can find a keto pasta.
Yeah, yeah. I'll call her while we're there and she'll
Works.
Works.
Yeah. Yep. Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. Then you can be one of us.
Or you can be one of me.
No,
hey, look, it gets back and it says, you know, I was out there with Tony. I used to gain 10 pounds. I lost 5 pounds when I was out there with him. He starved me to death.
I can't even imagine how much weight I've gained. I've been eating
Yeah, you're
good,
skinny.
man.
Oh my God.
Make sure you bleep that out so Amy doesn't see that part.
Okay, y'all.
Down and do a list now. So what we'll do is when we get to this grocery store, we need 2 carts. Somebody
like we did
carts
before.
with waters and drinks,
Yep.
and the rest of us will have their own list and breads and veggies.
So here's me and Brian this morning. So we're getting ready to go do some stuff to get ready to go on our voyage. Look out here, look, Brian. Man,
So
that's
nice.
pretty. The Morganville is pretty, and lots of boats, lots of boats. It is so gorgeous. So anyway, we're going to go. We got to get a sail that was fixed before we can go underway, and then we're going to be ready to hit the road. So here's the little beach at the yacht club. Man. So here's Jason putting on the sail after getting a little part fixed on the clue. Is that the new clue?
Yep.
Okay.
Oh, the clutch. Brian, the clutch on the side. All right, nice and slow.
So here we go. Going to provisions. And yeah, so here's the boys.
Yeah, I thought so.
I thought so too. Last time I've been here before. Here we go. So we're going in provision. Here's Jason. And let's talk to Tipsy Turtle. Hey, what do you think, Brian? We're gonna get some stuff.
We're gonna go buy some food.
We're gonna get some good stuff.
We're gonna get some food. Some
Okay.
burgers, some hot dogs. What was that fancy thing Jason's cooking?
Chicken bog.
Yeah, I'm excited.
So here we go. So off to public store. So here we are, loading it up. Jason, how we doing? Have we got everything? We got clothes,
there.
right?
We're almost there.
I think $500 more we got it.
Oh yeah, no. Yeah.
Sorry, Amy. I'm so sorry. We went over. We'll try to be smart. Anyway, we are loading up. I think we're doing pretty good.
Tony, you get the minute you can try.
Yep.
I put my phone number in the red in my card.
So here's Jason spending a life savings.
It won't let me.
One car payment. I did pay for my stuff. Oh, I didn't charge him for it. He's had enough on this one. So anyway, he's doing a great job. Look at it. Oh, look at that stuff we got to eat. Oh man, we're gonna be having pump outs twice a day. All right, look, here we go. Let's document this. So here's Brian. He's driving the rental car back. We're gonna take it back, get it back to the airport safely. We've done well so far. And we're gonna get a lift or something other and back over to the marina. And then we'll be ready to, you know, get out of here. I mean, not get out of here. We're gonna have another night here. So we'll go pay the marina some and go from there. So here's a new bridge or something. Some kind of McDonald's arches they're building out of concrete. It's incredible. It's way beyond making any sense. Oh my God. I guess they're building a new road and, you know, maybe McDonald's, they paid for the logo on this thing. Or the expansion bridge. It's wild. Unbelievable. Brian, how would you like to have to paint that? Hey, let's send the new dude up there to, hey, look at Mr. Place up there, about 3,400 feet up. Oh my God, that's just crazy. This bridge is crazy.
Yeah, give me a bucket, I'll go after it.
And of course, here's what we get for traffic, you know, it's just like insane. Like normal. Look at that bridge, run off that when you got problems. Ooh, that's a long fall. So anyway, yeah, man, oh man. Unbelievable. Unbelievable place. Miami. Here we go. Here's Jason taking the first bite of his fajitas. He is so good at this. I have some stir-fried vegetables and chicken.
Chicken stir fry or chicken fajitas.
Chicken fajitas.
Almost here.
That's imaginary chicken. But I really got Brian on the diet.
He's on a real keto diet.
Yeah, so this is looking good. We're having a good time. And can't wait till tomorrow. Finally got the car back. Settle down, get a shower, get something to eat. Everything's gonna be good. Ready to get home. Yeah.
Next episode on Dreamweaver SV.
So here we are, getting ready to go. We got Mr. John up there. He's doing all the work, and he's doing a great job. Jason said we're pulling off at 8, so we stayed up to 12:30, so we make sure not get too much sleep, and then we we got up at 6. So weather's looking good, so I think we're gonna be okay there. Brian, you ready?
I was born ready.
Yes.
6 hours of sleep.
6 hours.
Five and a half. Oh, 5.5.
Well, the good thing